Have you noticed how I can't decide whether it's summer or winter? We've just come out of 5 days of scorching heat, so I put my shorts and t-shirt on now, and now it's cold and I've got my jacket on. I look like a right tool. Hey guys, welcome back to another Thank Truckers Friday. I've just been kindly reminded this is my first one of 2025, so sorry about that. But let's have a look at this Iveco S-Way model year 24. Roll the trailer. No, what is it? Roll the titles. Check this beauty out then. Model year 24 Iveco S-Way. I told you it was coming to the channel, we're just a bit late with it, but they're coming thick and fast now. We have another build video. I can't tell you who it's for, but it's coming up. But this one will definitely whet your appetite. We've loaded it with loads and loads of styling, some Dutch styling. I'm sure the eagle eyes of you will have seen on the roof there, and that's where I'm going to start. We've got our classic Nedking illuminated name board. Obviously there's no sign writing on it at the moment, but that's going to have the customer's decals applied. It's the square style, it's that Dutch style. You guys all know Nedking. They do the air horns, they do the illuminated name boards, they do the super most bright bulbs, LED bulbs you've ever found. They're all available on our website. I'm sure there'll be some links below anyway. Either side on the top, we've got some Strands clear lens beacons. You know we love a bit of Strands, and either side of that, we've got the Siberia Night Rangers 9-inch in the white. DRL on those is currently set to white, but they also do amber, and they are super bright. I'm sure there'll be some B-roll of those flashing. And check out TikTok, check out Instagram Reels, you'll see plenty of videos on those. They're a great lamp. And it just finishes it all together. I love the fact that they're white and everything's white. Moving down on the front, we've got some LED double burners, again, by Nedking. And then either corner, or on all four corners of this truck, we've got some Strands Gylle arm lights, just the short cranked arms with the amber facing forward and the red facing back. Did you see I had to turn around then and check which colour was facing forward? That was good. Again, just all going with that styling in mind. We're going to flip round to the back because there's something on the back that we're going to show you. And then inside the cab we have our TruckChef 24-watt microwave. I would jump up and get in there and show you it, but here's some B-roll of it. You can see it. It's 800 watt, 20 litres, beautiful fitted fascia panel, all crash tested, impact tested, type approved, all the good jazz. Okay, let's hop around the back. See, told you there was something on the back. We've got a perimeter kit with the 3-in-1 lights. Obviously the 3-in-1 lights are the most preferred option for the perimeter kits. You've got your brake, you've got your tail, and you've got your indicator. And then we've got this perimeter kit color matched, painted in the polar white, and it just finishes it off nicely. The nice Iveco logo at the top. I mean, if you're going to have one of these, you've got to fit a perimeter kit surely. And you know, we have different options available on these lights as well now. So on the S-Way, on the model year 24, we have the 3-in-1s. We also have the Strands version. The Strands version, you can have strobes, you can have tail and brake on their own. We do a 4-in-1 lamp. There's so many different options on this now. We've worked with a partner to basically increase the number of light offerings that you can do on a perimeter kit. But yeah, there we go. An Iveco S-Way, model year 24, first one on our channel. Yeah, we're a bit late to the party, but it's first one on our channel. Please give the video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell notification icon so you know exactly when we upload. And I promise I'm going to be back soon with some more content. See you later.